Hi, my name is Gurbausch. I work at Cardiff and Vale College for the last 3 years. Before that, I worked for Gurbausch as an engineer. So I got into this industry for the last 4 years. I wanted to give back to the community, give back to the younger generation, so this trade could keep on going. My everyday routine at Cardiff and Vale College could vary depending on what groups I got for the morning, from my apprentice group, which start at 8:30 in the morning and run through till 5:30. A normal part-time group, which can start at 9 and finish at 4, but really enjoy all the groups right the way across. I could have a different variety of methods of teaching for different groups compared to my apprentice and my full-timers. So always like changing the methods, getting the students engaged at all times. I really enjoy and showing them what real life scenarios out there, which my PGC helped me with to get these kind of techniques put in place.